Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Denon receiver via Bluetooth. First, make sure your Denon receiver is powered on. Next, locate the Bluetooth button on your remote control or the receiver's front panel. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. You'll notice the Bluetooth indicator light begin to flash, which means your receiver is now in pairing mode and ready to connect with your devices. It's a quick and easy first step to wireless audio. Now that your Denon receiver is in pairing mode, grab your smartphone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth-enabled audio device. Go into its Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on. Your device will then scan for nearby available connections. Look for your Denon receiver's model name in the list, for example, Denon Avares 530BT, and select it. If your device prompts you to confirm the pairing request, simply accept it. Once connected, the receiver's Bluetooth light will become solid. Sometimes, you might encounter a hiccup during the connection process. If your devices aren't pairing, try restarting both your Denon receiver and your Bluetooth device. Also, check for any physical obstructions or other wireless devices that might be causing signal interference. Clear the path between them. For persistent issues, it's a good idea to check if your Denon receiver has the latest firmware update, as this can often resolve connectivity problems and improve overall stability. To ensure the best possible audio experience, keep your Bluetooth device within 25 meters of your Denon receiver, maintaining a clear line of sight. Always verify that the volume levels are appropriately set on both your source device and the receiver itself. If you're seeking even higher fidelity audio, especially for high-resolution content, consider using an external Bluetooth receiver that supports advanced audio codecs like aptX HD or LDAC, connecting it to an analog input on your Denon receiver.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.